I want you to go to the setup on this your org, the org that you're using for this class.
Okay, so this is
Now,
for this.
okay, so okay, then go to the setup, um type app exchange on the setup. There are thousands of different applications that you can integrate into Salesforce platform. You have finance, human resources, any application that has to do with human resources, enterprise resources planning, sales, customer service, and other marketing application, integrations. Anyone that you need, you can always pick. Click on sales. So different application under sales will open now. I'm looking for one that is free. Um,
Free.
yeah, this one is free. Okay. Anyone you want to, one that can even use as for you to guide from Scrum project, many as in one for report and dashboard, depending. There are so many. All these guys that made all this application available here, they are doing business with many of them. Some are free, some are not free, depending on what you want to use or depending on what you want to tailor it to achieve. Okay, before I even ask you to do something about this, what can really why do you need to consult Apple change? The reason simply means that if for any reason all the standard objects and the custom object that you have on your Salesforce platform that you are working with for your company, none of it is meeting up with the need, that you now observe that there are some application on App Exchange that can be tailored to what that is being tailored to what your need or the need of your company. Then that can be adopted. That can Your company can purchase it if it's not free. They will pay for it or subscribe. They will be paying on a monthly basis, kind of subscription on it for them to be using it. So if there is all the application on your platform, existing application on your platform, both the existing and the both the custom object and standard object, none of it is able to meet up with your company or your organizational functionality. It doesn't have that functionality that you want, then you will go and exploit Salesforce, the app exchange, to check if there is anyone that can really meet up with the kind of uh, your organizational need or anything. And apart from that, if when you need that application is so urgent, there won't be time for your developers to build an entire application from the scratch, then your company will consult App Exchange to see if there is a ready-made application they can easily integrate to achieve or tailored to achieving that functionality. That is the reason why you need to consult App Exchange in the first place. All those things are just kind of discussed. Now, what I just discussed now, there are so many times they ask questions like that in Salesforce admin exam or advanced Salesforce admin. Just get it once and for all like that. Now, anyone that is free now, pick it and let me get you through on how you will download it. Or if you okay, then get it now. Click on get it now. Now the hub you want to install the production environment. Okay, which of the accounts?
So I'll put it on this one because I already have.
Okay, okay. Then there are two things here. Does he want to install this in the production or he want to install it in sandbox? In this class, this this free developer that we're using, we don't have sandbox. But where you're going to work as a Salesforce at work, you will have sandbox. And it's not advisable for you to import something directly into your production environment, the way we wanted to import it into our
Without
production.
testing it in the sandbox, yes.
Exactly. So from the sandbox, they will do users testing, they will assess it. It's okay, it's not going to break our production environment. It's not going to corrupt our platform. Then they will now go ahead after they've done all those accessibility, scrutiny, and all the rest, security, and everything is okay. They deliberate on it and everything. Then finally, they will now deploy it to the production environment from the sandbox. But why are we deploying it directly to our production environments? On this, our free developer, we don't have sandbox. And that is the only thing that is missing. So just be confident that when you start working, it's the same environment. The only thing you will not find is the sandbox. So just take note of that. Now install in production, sir. At this point, let me just read what you say now. Yeah, confirm and install.
Okay. Oh,
Oh,
sorry.
click on the yes, confirm and install. I hope you still know you've not forgotten the password for this account that you use.
No, it's
Yeah, okay.
already.
Okay, yeah, okay. Okay, okay. Hold on now. Now at
Okay.
this point,
Right.
at this point now, there are three options before us. The option one that is saying that this jot form, this application that Bratayo want to install, is he only going to be only administrator that will be able to access the application, or other users like your sales rep, marketers, every other person on your platform, will they be able to access it? That is the question. Then the third one, you want some users, but not all the users. This is the next one is install for specific profile. That means you will specify some profile that will be able to access it. Anyone that is being assigned that profile will be able to access it. But if what you want to install is meant for everybody to use, depending on the functionality you want to tailor it to achieve, if it's going to be what you want your end users to also have access to, you will pick install for all users. That means administrator and the other end users will be able to use the application to carry out their jobs. But if not, you can use, say, install for admin only. Or if it has to do with both profile, you can now use profile to discriminate, to say, to separate some people. Anyone with this profile will be able to access it. Anyone without this. Okay, let's just continue with our install for admin only. Then you click on install. Continue.
Okay, we
Okay.
go.
Okay, done. Click on done. Now, if you want to access what you've installed, you go to install packages. Yeah. Now, what is the name of what you just installed?
Oh, I didn't put it in my head, but I can get it. But this is it right
Right.
here. Outcomes.
Okay. Okay. Now that means it's already there now for your company use. We just import something just to demonstrate it. So you already know that, okay, you already have what you install on your platform. There is no any problem.
Right, that's a wrap up for today's video. I hope you have picked up some valuable insights and actionable tips in Salesforce ecosystem. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Give this video a big thumb up. If you found it helpful, I'm Asikola Oshirikan, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more.